You this. I bought this air fryer and it lasted 4 months, and then all of a sudden it started shaking a little bit. So I was like, oh, it's probably just a fan. But I mean, I spent so much money on this, it shouldn't be no shaking. So another month goes by and it dies. That's it. So I spent all this money for air fryer to last 6 months, and I never even less than 6 months, 5 months. I never even cooked like a chicken, the rotisserie. I only use it for like pizza and like pizza pockets and stuff like that. But yeah, definitely not worth it. It pisses me off because I can't return it and there's no warranty. Even though they say there's warranty, there's no warranty. So save your money, do your research. This is definitely not worth it at all. I'm so heated. Overall, I'm very happy with this. The controls and everything. I see the new units have the controls in Fahrenheit and Celsius, which I think is ridiculous. So, that's all pretty cool. This is from my old toaster oven. Fits in there pretty nice. But something I'm really concerned with is like the lid just does not close. It is not a tight seal. So I don't think it's that efficient. But I am cooking chicken parts in there and it come out pretty good. I just wish it was a little better. I guess you get what you pay for. I wish it was a little better sealer.
Single day for a week I've been trying to get stuff and it hasn't been delivering, and so I finally got my toaster oven, right? It comes with a broken leg. Like, I'm not